In this short tutorial, let's quickly import your brand colors and logo from your website into Bybrand. Go to the Appearance section and click on the button Analyze Website. Enter your company's website URL. Then click Scan. Bybrand will automatically detect and show your brand's main colors and logos. You can also add an image from an external URL, for example, one hosted on your website. Select your preferred options, then click the Import. And that's it. Your brand colors and logo have now been imported successfully.